Robin Williams played an alien for 4 seasons, and the show was good enough that someone made a holiday about the premise. Invite an Alien to Live With You Day is July 21. Mork and Mindy ran from 1978 to 1982 on ABC. Williams played Mork, an alien from Ork, sent to study human behavior, and Pam Dawber played Mindy, the Boulder journalism grad who let him move in. Williams improvised most of the physical comedy. The producers mostly kept the cameras rolling. The show launched Williams from a Happy Days guest spot into one of the biggest careers in television. Would you let a Mork move in? Watch an episode today. The show holds up better than most people expect. And Robin Williams, in full improvisation mode, building a character from nothing, is still something genuinely worth seeing. Tag someone you'd actually let crash with you indefinitely, alien or otherwise, and tell us which episode to start with.